Tykel. Today I'm going to be making a video of a horn I got for my truck. It sounds kind of like a Nathan K3LA. It's not a real train horn, but it's kind of an off-brand. And I actually have a speaker under my truck that'll be playing the bell sound from my laptop. I'll see how that works. It's kind of raining out today, but hopefully I can keep the camera dry, and I'll do a few run-bys. I'm gonna probably try and put my camera under a bridge and see how that works. And it's basically all to it. Try and get to the video. As you can see, it's pouring down rain. As soon as this rain slows down, I'm just gonna get a video under the truck so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I just want to get the camera wet because I have to duck under the truck so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I was waiting for it to just die down a little bit. Hopefully it's soon. Alright guys, I decided to just use an umbrella. So, 1 second. So, that yellow device right there is the speaker for the bell. That's where the sound comes up for the bell. And let me see if I can get under the truck. I don't know if you can see right there is the horns right there. I don't know what kind of brand they are. I'm not sure what kind of brand they are, but they sound like a Nathan K3LA. Alright guys, I'm back. Here's a laptop that plays the bell sound. It's all controlled with the laptop. And if I just press the button right here, this is what controls it. And right here is the valve for the train horn. Alright guys, I'm heading out. I'm gonna give it a little test on the road so you guys can hear it. And I'll play the bell too and see how it turns out.